Okay, I'm here with Craig Francisco. He's president of RōBEX. Craig, can you tell everybody a little bit about our Flex program and technology as a service?
Yes, so RōBEX FLEXX is, as you said, technology as a service. It's a program that we instituted for customers that are looking to automate that at the time may not have capital to do so. A lot of companies invest capital, and there's so much that they want to accomplish, and typically they run out of funds to do that. And automation is such a big need right now for us to continue moving manufacturing and distribution forward. And we created the program where the risk is shared by us. We're putting systems, FANUC systems, mirror systems, auto guide systems in our customers' facilities for a monthly fee. And then we are helping and we're responsible for the performance of the asset, the technology, which is RōBEX proprietary technology.